Hello from Diytaj Tires. I've got a Vauxhall Meriva here on a 2007 plate. Just doing a headlight bulb. As you can see, on the passenger side front is working, and on the driver's side it isn't. Now there's two ways you can do this. Lights off, please. There's two ways you can do this. Either remove this right here and then this pipe here, then you can get to the bulb easily. And the most hardest way would be by removing this, which is going to be quite awkward. Or the third way you can do is through the arch lining. From here, you've got to undo a couple of screws, but I wouldn't really bother about this side here. But the easiest one would be this. I'm just going to show you. What you need is a T20 Torx. Get the yep, that's it. That's what you need, T20. Once you've undone this screw, I'm gonna grab this light for you. Just hold it right there. Okay. Once you undone the screw, make sure you don't drop it. Put it somewhere safe. Now you've got this little lug here, this little lug here, this little lug here. It slots in. You pull it towards you. You then gently pull the whole thing out. That's how. Just remember how you take it out. That's how you put it back in as well. And then you've got this little pipe here, right there. So that just pops out. Once you've undone the pipe on the inside, if you could see that one there with the yellow cable, that's the bulb holder. Now this is this one here is sort of kind of slots in, so you've got no springs on the back. And if you look on the front right here, so that's the bulb right there as well. So the pin locators on the H7s are facing up. So if I just kind of get my hands in there and then hold the plug, all I do is wiggle, pull the whole thing out. And just remember, you know, when you're taking it out as well, the engine's quite hot, so you don't want to really burn yourself. But now you see that pin locator right there, that sort of needs to face up so it slots in. Zoom in a little bit, that's perfect. If I can get my hands in there, both of them, yes I can. That's it, it's out. So that's the bulb right there. Now we've got a H7 bulb. Right, that's the bulb right there, H7, got it already. Just remember, make sure you don't touch the front of the lens. So never touch the front of the lens. You can plug it in first. That's the plug right here. Let me see if I can pull the plug out a little bit more, but do not yank it or do not pull it too hard. Nope, it won't come out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to slot the bulb in first. By doing that, I'm going to be sort of kind of using the front of the lens as a hole for the bulb, as you can see right there. And then I'll just line it up, make sure it lines up and it clips in. That's it, that's all clicked in now. And then I get the plug. And then plug it in. So there's only one way the plug would go, it's a 2-pin plug. So make sure you get it in properly. So I've got it. That's it. Now what we do, we check, see if it's working. So please, lights on. As you can see right there now, that one's working and that one's working as well. If there is anything else you need to know with regards to anything else for Vauxhall, there is a playlist for Vauxhall itself, and there's a playlist for services as well as the bulbs as well. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.